Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Zalick, and today I'm here to talk to you about product pricing and all of the problems that comes with it, and how those can all be solved by using the Attivo All-in-One package powered by SAP Business One. The list of product pricing challenges can go on and on. You probably have multiple spreadsheets of your price list or even printouts of your price list scattered all around your office, all because your pricing system is not stored within your software. This leads to multiple pricing mistakes, which then causes you to have to issue credit memos to your customers, all because the prices were manually entered, which sometimes can be caused by human error. So how do we solve these problems? The Attivo All-in-One package, powered by SAP Business One, will fix all of these problems and more. So let's do a brief overview of how the Attivo All-in-One package, powered by SAP Business One, can help you solve your product pricing challenges. The price list setup window allows you to create multiple price lists, which you can then assign to each of your business partners, so you're not having to manually look up item prices and assigning those to your sales orders. So SAP Business One does all of the manual calculations and automatically imports the correct price depending on the price list that is associated with the business partner. You can also create discount pricing lists for item groups, business partners, specific items, or a combination of all three of these to really define the specific pricing that your company needs. You can also apply period and volume discounts. You select your price list, the items you would like to discount. From there, you can select the appropriate from and to date. These are the valid dates. And then you can also set the volume discount. Say I only wanted to sell a quantity of 200 with that discount within that time frame. I just set that up and SAP will tell me whenever I hit that limit. SAP Business One also allows you to have pricing for your alternate units of measure. Let's say you have two different units of measure for one item. Instead of manually calculating that price for a larger unit of measure, SAP already has this information defined and automatically imports the correct price based on your unit of measure selected. The Prices Update Wizard is a great tool offered by SAP Business One. First, you determine your update method, how you want to update your prices. Then you select your items and your price selection. So this would be the price list that you want to update. You can then run a simulation to see how your calculation is going to affect your prices and approve that before you apply any updates. The Attivo All-in-One package, powered by SAP Business One, solves all of your product pricing problems. Instead of having all of your spreadsheets holding all of your price list information, those can all be put into your software system. This allows you to have your special prices for business partners, have pricing by customer groups, have your quantity price breaks. You can also have pricing for your different units of measure, so you're not having to manually do the math and then entering the prices into the system. And it also has the Prices Update Wizard, where SAP Business One does all of the calculations for you in order to update those prices in a simple and streamlined way. Thank you for watching this video on how the Attivo All-in-One package, powered by SAP Business One, can help you solve your product pricing challenges. For more information, visit attivoerp.com for more information on the problems we can solve for you.